In this video, I went to both Plato's Closet and Clothes Mentor. So this is going to be a comparison video between the two places. They are local consignment stores that do buy new, gently used, pre-owned clothing, shoes, and accessories. And these two happen to be right next to each other. So I'm going to show you guys what items that I am sending to each place, and then we will swap the items that they don't accept and see if anything else sells at the other place, and then kind of give you a breakdown of how much money you are able to make and what type of items, quality, brands, styles that these places are looking for. And then we will do a comparison at the end, voting which place was better for me in this situation. Alright, this is a tank top, Mossimo, which is just a Target brand. Same thing here. This one is Morona, which is a Target brand. This is a new with tag Rue 21 skirt. This is a J. Crew piece. Dickies, I've seen them sell Dickies lots of times before. This is Vogue Boutique, which is not a very expensive brand, but it's got this nice embroidery. This is something that I would be very surprised if they accept it, but it's pretty cool. It's this kind of caftan cover up. I'm hoping that maybe they see it as a little bit beachwear, but it may be too mature of a brand for what they're looking for. This is a Walmart swimsuit, just a one-piece no boundaries swimsuit. This one here is something that I would definitely list in my closet, no problem. But because I have it, again, all of these items here, or maybe I didn't even mention that, all of these items here were free. They were given to me by a friend of the family, and so I'm gonna just see first if I can go get a quick profit for them. This is a Gold's Gym tank top. This is a Bubba Gum graphic t-shirt. They usually take graphic t-shirts anytime I take them, so I'm just curious on this one if this is something that they would accept or not. This is an Old Navy just active shirt. It's just a very basic shirt. I'm pretty sure they will take this, but I don't think I'll get much for it. This brand is a new to me brand. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of this, seen this brand, if it's anything special or not. But both of these are like tunic dresses, so you could wear it either or as a tunic or a dress. Very beautiful color. If they accept one, I'm pretty sure they'll accept both. But if they don't accept these, then I'm probably going to, it's just lint, probably going to bundle both of these up together because they are the same size, same style, just different colors. These are some Nike running shorts. Very nice, great condition. These are Volcom, and it might be outdated. Also, the wrinkles, they don't do anything to their clothing, so they want it to be in good condition, which these are in good condition, but they are just very wrinkly. So we'll see if they take it like that. These are Old Navy shorts, size 14, very pretty color, again, just very summery. And this is a J. Crew skirt. Here is the next batch of items. This is an Old Navy chambray romper, and this is another Old Navy romper, but this is a black, more flowy style. These three are all Target brand. I believe they're just Morona, or no, not Morona, the Wild Fable. They're Wild Fable. They're all three the same exact size, so we'll see on those. This skirt is a little bit more fall related, but I'm curious if they will take it because it's a skirt and it's kind of a good transition piece. This one also, so this skirt is Free People, and then this skirt is Moth, so like an Anthropology brand. Maeve, this one is silk. Now this one might be outdated for them, or it may be too wrinkly. This brand I've never heard of. This is kind of a little bit basic, but I want to see, because it's in really good condition, if they will take something basic like this, so that I will know for next time. And these are some swim trunks. These are surf swim trunks, Billabong. I will definitely list these myself, no problem. This is an American Eagle dress, very pretty, perfect summer dress, really nice yellow mustard color. And this dress I've had forever and I've just never listed it. Alright, the last bit, shoes. Have some Sam Edelman, so a lot of heels, because I just don't really like listing heels unless they're boots or something. So some of these items, they have been listed, some of them have never been listed, some sold and then were returned and never relisted. These Lulu heels, those are Lauren Conrad. These here are nice little wedge espadrilles, nice kind of like booties, peep-toed. These Jeffrey Campbell slippers, not slippers, were they slides? These are not new, but I'm gonna give them with the box because that is the original box. These Everlast tennies. These I've had them for so long, listed everywhere, and there's always been a little bit of interest, but never any offers. These are Faded Glory. I'm just curious if they'll take those along with this Time and True, which are Walmart brand. This one does have the price, or like its new tag, and then some Sam Edelman flip-flops. This is the stuff I'm going to send into Clothes Mentor. So these are some Vince Camuto suede booties. These are some Y brand wedges. This brand I'm not very familiar with, Cody Maya. So these are boots. That's why I'm going to send these, because if they don't take them, they're probably not that great of a brand, but we'll see. These are some Sam Edelman. These are Adidas. These would probably sell for me okay, and this is the stuff that I really like to list, but they are a smaller size, so just to kind of get a sports shoe in there also, I'm sending those. These are Lucky brand. These are going to be hard to photograph, which is why I'm sending them in. This is the Gladiator strap where it goes all around your leg, and then some Jeffrey Campbell. These did not fit in the last batch to Plato's Closet that I put off to the side, so the J. Crew and the Jeffrey Campbell I am sending to Clothes Mentor instead. Maybe a little bit more picky on the condition and the brands, but this is a Nike athletic piece. This one is an American Eagle. I'm sending a sweater. This is a 9 West, so I am sending, this is something that I don't think Plato's Closet would take. It's a skirt, little leopard print, but I think Clothes Mentor will. We'll see how that does though. And then we have some Johnny Cash. This is a graphic tank top. Other tank top. This one is a Disney. This is a Lucky brand. It is a little bit older piece, a little bit more outdated, but I'm curious, just want to see what they will take. This is a We the Free People sweater, little turtleneck mock neck sweater. This one is also We the Free People, but it has the shoulder, the cold shoulder, cold elbows. Then we have a new with tag Riverdale. So this one, brand new with tag Riverdale graphic t-shirt. And this is an Elliott silk dress. So very nice summer racer back dress. All right, we're here at Plato's Closet, Clothes Mentor, right next to each other. I'm going to go to Plato's Closet first and then Clothes Mentor. All right, a little bit smaller bag, less items. Well, it's the bag same size, but it's not as full, you could tell. And all right, $7 is what I got from a Clothes Mentor. Now we're going to take the rest of it. So I sold only 2 items over there. So this bag I'm going to take to Plato's Closet, and let's see if they take anything different. Now Plato's Closet, picking up 2 bags. Let's see if I make any money here. Alright, most of those shoes are gone. So $14 and $72 is what I ended up making at Plato's Closet. So they still took 2 items that Clothes Mentor did not, but I'll go over in detail more. Oh, I can see why they didn't take that. There's a stain I didn't see. I'll go over in details when I get home. All right, I think there's still some pretty good potential in here. I'm at this Plato's Closet now. I thought about it and realized that I didn't think Clothes Mentor would be the smarter option. So we're going to try a different Plato's Closet that wasn't too far and see if they will take any of the leftover. So I'm leaving at this Plato's Closet. The wait time is about an hour and a half. And I decided, so when I went to Clothes Mentor, they took 2 items and they gave me $7. So then I went over to Plato's Closet, and the initial bag that I took over there, they ended up giving me $72. And I did drop off because Clothes Mentor was done first. So I picked that bag up and I dropped it off at Plato's Closet. They ended up taking another 2 items, giving me $14. So that kind of made me just think that Plato's Closet is a little bit more generous and or lenient, or in need of items more than Clothes Mentor, and maybe even pay out a little bit better. So I decided that instead of taking my original Plato's Closet bag to Clothes Mentor, let me just try a different Plato's Closet, and then we will see if I make any more money. All right, not bad. This one actually, well, I mean, $27.40. It's nothing to like jump up and down about. But this one actually gave me a printout of how much they gave per item. And I never knew Plato's Closet could do that. So I'm kind of bummed I didn't get a printout from the last 2 stops. So, okay, let's continue. So here are the items that they did not accept. And I'm assuming due to condition, these do have some spotting right there. These were probably they're probably just too cheap, like inexpensive. This one, also thinking of condition, so these are the Sam Edelmans. And these, I think that they are just too inexpensive, so there's just no value for them. The Lucky Brands, I was a little surprised. I mean, there's a little bit of wear, but I was surprised that they didn't take this. And these as well, these are the Vince Camutos. I think that these just, 1, were not in season, and 2, maybe a little bit of wear to the suede, but I don't think I'll have a problem selling these, so not a big deal. Now let me show you the clothing. Also, actually, I want to note, so these Time and True, they are brand new with tag. They're from Walmart, but they did take another Walmart pair of sandals. So, and those sandals were the coral pair. Alright, this is the swimsuit that I had. I think maybe they don't take swimsuits because I looked around and I couldn't find any swimwear, so I forgot to ask them about that. And these were the swim trunks. Also, Clothes Mentor does not accept men's. They don't sell men's clothing, it's just women's. So these were the Volcom pants. These may just be because they were super wrinkled. I think these are just a little bit too worn. These were Old Navy shorts. This pair, I noticed when I put these lights on, had some little minor stain spots. These Nike shorts, I have no idea. I've been looking everywhere to try to find a flaw or stain or anything on these. I couldn't find anything wrong with these. So 2 Plato's Closets and a Clothes Mentor passed up. Oh wait, look, did I just find it? I just found it. I actually didn't even notice that. So there we go. This one, they took the other 2 Wild Fables that were like this, but they didn't take this one, and it's most likely because it has a snag right there. But the gray and the black they did accept. This here, this was definitely one that I'm not surprised they didn't take. This Disney, I was surprised they didn't accept because I thought this was perfect on season. This, I think the Vogue Boutique, again, it's just not a very expensive brand. This Maeve, I think, is just wrinkled. I think it had way too much wrinkles around it, and because it's silk, they probably just don't want to mess with it. Riverdale, I was surprised by this one. This seems like a perfect graphic t-shirt, brand new with tags. The graphic is on trend. I don't know, maybe because of like the lint and stuff on it, but this one I was surprised they did not accept. New York Yankees, again, I was surprised they didn't accept this one. Maybe I should have untied it. I guess I thought this was the style, but apparently it looks like somebody else knotted it. This one I didn't have much hope for. This is just a Gold's Gym tank top. These 2, so the brands must not be anything special. They're probably just, simple boutique brands. So they did not accept both of these. This Elliot silk dress, the underarms. So that does have some discoloration, which at first I just thought it was part of the coloring of the pattern. But no, that's definitely just discoloration. This Mossimo tank, I think it was just a little too outdated. The American Eagle Outfitters sweater, I think it was just off season because it's actually in really good condition. This Morona, I think it's just outdated. It was just too old for them to take. This little swimsuit cover-up or caftan, whatever you may want to call it, I think it's just, again, a little bit too mature. The Lucky brand, I think it was just too old of a style. And then last but not least, or maybe least, I don't know. Alright, well, obviously you can tell Plato's Closet was the winner for me. Now, yes, I went to 2, but the first Plato's Closet I went to with the Clothes Mentor, I made significantly way more money, and they still took 2 items that the Clothes Mentor did not. I did not decide to go to Clothes Mentor. I explained that in the video why. So going forward, I probably will just stick with Plato's Closet because I think that's where I get the most bang for my buck, but I won't be opposed to giving Clothes Mentor a try in the future. So let me know down below if you've had luck with either place, if you've ever shopped at either place. I would love to know your experience or your thoughts on it. And if you're not subscribed, definitely consider subscribing. Hit the thumbs up button, and I will see you all on the next one. Bye!